Kuma kia muthuri kitethira tukitana ngina ara kaunti ya MERU ni moya kaunti ithano ire ikuguneka nende kumania na kituo kiuntuiria bo murimo yora withiriti nende ukithangi kia baingi ora kwithira nende kibitherwa ndeni ya CIBITARI ya Kenyatta University Teaching Research and Referral kituo kira nende kithirite kyoto ambaru ni National Institute for Health and Research, University of Manchester na the Christie Foundation na bangi nende kithira kichunkuna murimo yo nyiimba na yo MUMERO redirite nende tabaraka kia bunene kaunti ine ukituo kine nende KIUNTUIRIA bunende tabarata kura ne mukirimedeka kidirite kirungamira kidirite kikirugura kwa iruare na kia kina chiringi milioni manayana.
Kuringana na uthuthuria bwa CIBITARI nene Kenyatta, kaunti ya MERU niyo yaiyeleki namba ya atie baraba ita CIBITARI ne utwa mautungata ya murimo yo kansa muno yo MUMERO ireringana na ithwa muno no regibwa mira.
People talk about the throat cancer, all that, the canal, the alimentary canal cancer, all those, but all this can be taken care of if you look at esophageal cancer and maybe learn the causes. Some people argue it's hot tea in some areas, in some counties, the taking of hot tea. Others argue that it is mira. Others argue it's busa. Whatever it is, we would like to find out through this project.
Kumania nontobo, kaunti ya MERU ikethirere mwekeri itano ire ikaguneka na murandi ya chiringi milioni manayana yo CIBITARI ya Mauritani no thuthuria University ya Kenyatta iwatanirite na cukuru amwe na ituo bingi kenda kumenya kaumo ka murimo yo no twanjira cio yurieria.
This is a project between our hospital, Kenyatta University Teaching, Referral and Research Hospital, and many other partners like KEMRI. We also have Jomo Kenyatta University, you have Mount Kenya University, and many other institutions around us.
This cancer of esophagus has 100% mortality, which is of course very high. And we wanted to know how we can help Kenyans overcome the disease, even treatment, and especially how they can avoid the disease. We got 400 million between this hospital and University of Manchester. Most of that money is going to be spent here. We are going to do this research in 5 counties. We have Kisii, we have Nyeri, we have, I think, Yabu, Meru, and I think Nakuru.
Wirigiro bwa ataalamu baane ati bakona ntaire murimo yoyo rayo yokete meoyo ya ntu baba inge noti antu bametie yao batege ntu nontu bwangarama yotiritwa ikirikanwa thirikari kaunti ya MERU runguro otongeria borarari gavana ukabere kiraitu murungi niratio maniritie burotu tirampanga e.
We want to get into the science now and get a better understanding. So preliminary data is there. We know the prevalences from different parts of our country. We know that it's more of it right now in the central and the western part of Kenya, but we want to do even a more thorough understanding of why it is in those places and exactly identify the reasons why it is there is more prevalence in some of those counties.
We'll be able to compare other factors, environmental factors that are causing the disease. Who are the people getting the disease? Are they the older? Are they the younger people? Are there conditions that are there that are making them get the disease compared to other communities? So we'll come with answers, and that is our aim.
Antonia Weru TV, unbeta wa mukiri wa mitheka.